So this is a supplementary video for the AeroSabre. This is the supplied AeroSabre bracket, and the difference between this and the Sabre bracket is the upper mounts. So the upper mounts, which is interchangeable, which is also supplied in the package, is within the difference is within this upper piece and this piece supplied here. The shorter one is for Sabre, and the bigger one here is for AeroSabre. Just remove these two bolts if you want to swap in between. So first install the bracket by screwing on the top side. And securing the lower side also. Same goes on the left side. Also on the bottom. So this will simulate the actual upper triple and the lower triple mounts. After that, you take the main unit of the headlamp, and there's 3 bolts on one side. You can check according to the manual itself. It is exactly the same procedure from here on. Just lightly put the brackets on. And tighten all the bolts more or less into place. 3 more on the right side. Make sure no wire is being crimped down between the brackets. We won't be covering the wiring on this video because the wiring has been covered on the original Sabre video. So tighten the sides up. Once everything is tightened up, just tighten the upper and the lower unit. Okay, down there, right? So you can put on the side covers. So the side covers, as how the manual suggests. This is the wire tray, which you can actually lay it on first. Put this bracket on. Make sure no wire is being seated on, crimped, or anything like that. And just install one of the screws in first. One in the front. Don't fully tighten them up yet. Put it on the left side, make sure all the wires are clear. Secure the frames. And two on the top. Tighten everything up. Okay, side covers are done. Now top cover goes on under. Be careful not to scrape the cover on the edge of the brackets. Just put on bolts to hold the cover up. Four bolts here. And if you can see from here, this bracket, if you're only using the Sabre without the Aero version, the bracket stops here. There's nothing up here. So the AeroSabre extends all the way to the top, and if you only want to use the Sabre, use this small little bracket. Now for the side covers. Do not put the bolt in before the cover goes in. Once it's on, just temporarily bolt it on. One more on this side. You can put the rear bolts on, but just don't put the front bolts on because it makes it very hard to put in the cover to position. Front bolt is last. To this stage, you should already have sabre completed. Now you will have 4 rubber bolts, rubber inserts with nuts, and 4 Allen screws. These are smaller Allen screws with white washers. First, also the visor itself. Okay, right. So firstly, you want to just insert all the rubbers in. Don't worry, the rubber is supposed to be going in loosely. Okay, then you want to take the proper Allen, which in this case is a number 3. Place the visor onto the bracket and just lightly tighten them down, just a bit. You will need to do a little bit of alignment. These are rubber mounts, so they are a little bit more flexible. Don't tighten them up until you get all 4 of the holes, the screws to line up. Once they are lined up, everything looks good, then you can start tightening them on. It will become tighter as you tighten on. The rubber will start to contract. Careful not to scratch the screens. Okay, so there you have it. The complete AeroSabre unit is done. Thank you.